During the enhanced community quarantine last March, Eastern Visayas had one of the lowest supplies of PPEs in the Philippines. The procurement of medical supplies was especially difficult for the region due to its geographic position, fragile healthcare system, and the restrictions from the lockdown. Frontliners from all over the region were voicing out their dire need for more PPEs as they were the most susceptible to the COVID-19. Because of the urgency of the situation, our group of friends decided to organize a donation drive to make PPEs for the frontliners. This donation drive grew to become the youth organization that Project Protect is now. As an organization, our main goal is to ensure safety and enhance personal protection of people in Eastern Visayas through easy and low-cost innovations. Our team is composed of students, fresh graduates, and newly working individuals in different career fields. Our diversity allows us to view problems through different lenses, which results in effective solutions and innovations. We first started with creating and distributing face shields, but due to the tremendous support from our community, we were able to provide more kinds of supplies for protection and disinfection across the region. As of today, we have already come up with 6 major projects. 4 of these, namely face shields, sanitation tent, hand washing station, and ear guards, were originally designed by us with the help of our partners. Each phase has been a result of careful deliberation and prioritization of the needs of our frontliners and community. Furthermore, we want to maximize our limited resources by sourcing materials locally and by ensuring that our designs are easily replicable by other organizations and by people at home. In a span of 6 months, we've already reached frontliners from different municipalities of Eastern Visayas. This includes the 3 main islands of Leyte, Biliran, and Samar. Our team is based in Tacloban City, but we made sure to prioritize donating PPEs to farther parts of the region with higher COVID-19 cases. We were able to do this even during the ECQ through coordination with different groups and their respective local government units. Our main beneficiaries include frontliners in hospitals, rural health units, checkpoints, and essential stores, among others. Now that the ECQ has been lifted for most municipalities, we have extended our beneficiaries to our communities such as schools and churches. Aside from providing PPEs, through our projects, we were able to help continue the livelihood of some members of our community, especially during the ECQ. These include our partner tailors and construction workers for the creation of our hazmat suits, sanitation tents, and hand washing stations. Project Protect would not be possible without the collective effort of different individuals, groups, and institutions in our community. Since the start of the pandemic, we knew how much people wanted to help frontliners in our region but didn't know where or how. That's why we set up multiple ways that people can help. You can either donate money or materials, volunteer to make or distribute PPEs, or share our posts online. We always emphasize that any kind of help means a huge difference. In the creation of our projects, we were able to mobilize and encourage different groups in our community, especially the youth, to help with our cause. When we called for volunteers online, over 15 young people responded to help make PPEs in their own homes. We also worked with multiple youth organizations to reach more communities, especially in rural areas. As of today, we have raised 250,000 pesos for our frontliners in Eastern Visayas. This, in addition to the material donations we've received, have been the main source of funding for our projects. Furthermore, we continuously find ways to maximize our resources by partnering with different organizations and institutions in the region. Through this, we are able to provide more PPEs for our frontliners and create even bigger projects for our community. Project Protect is an example of how much the youth can achieve, especially with the support of the community. We have transformed just our group of friends into this organization that helps strengthen the safety and protection of Eastern Visayas. We hope that through our actions, we inspire more youth to be engaged in their own communities as well. We are so excited about the future of Project Protect and how much more we can help our region even beyond the pandemic. We will continue to build a community that cares for and protects one another. Thank you, Tayo, for giving us the opportunity to share our story.